We're entering a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house. To the right, we have plenty of space in the living area. House comes with a high roof and ceiling fans to keep it cool. From here we go into the dining area. And you have a view from the back. You have a direct opening into the kitchen from the dining room. Plenty of cupboard space and built-in stove, an oven, a fridge. Downstairs we have a spare room and bathroom and laundry combined. So we go upstairs to the bedrooms. We're going to bedroom number 1. A 10 by 8 size room. Okay, you have a high roof, and you know with a high roof you get nice cooling. And we're in the sun fill up area, so you get plenty of breeze. Going to bedroom number 2. Comes with AC. Built-in cupboard. And here we have the bathroom. Last but not least, we move into the master bathroom bedroom. Again, comes with AC, air conditioning, much larger than the other 2 rooms. We're going to the ensuite bathroom. Right in here we have the walk-in closet. Plenty of space. We are on Eagle's Wings, the service that stores.